welcome back to Richoux on Demand, where we discuss all things age gap, interracial relationship, and a lifestyle. Today, however, we're going to talk about the behind the scenes tips and tricks for small YouTubers to actually make money on So today we're going to talk about making money on YouTube as a small YouTuber. I think a big misconception is that you can't do anything until you hit those two YouTube imposed requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And the reality is, yes, you do need to hit those parameters to become a YouTube partner, which will let you put ads on your videos and things like that. But the big deal about YouTube is exposure, because most YouTubers do not make the bulk of their income from Google AdSense revenue. It comes from brand deals and collaborations. Brand deals and collaborations are when a brand decides to partner with you, a YouTuber, and you, the YouTuber, make content pertaining to that brand for an agreed upon fee and an agreed upon type of content, whether it's a mention in a video, a separate video reviewing a product, or Instagram stories posts or things of that nature. It all just depends on what's included in the contract. That is something that you should be aiming for as a content creator. I didn't get into YouTube knowing anything about brand deals and collaborations, because I always felt like you needed to at least have a couple of thousand subscribers before you could ever think to make anything on YouTube, and I was only thinking of affiliate links. And that's a whole separate video, and if you want me to talk about that, I will. But brand deals are where the big bucks are. The great thing is now brands are switching from vanity metrics like views and subscribers and are going towards things like engagement and retention. Those are the parameters that you really need to be focusing on. Yes, inevitably you want to grow on YouTube, you want your audience to be bigger, you want to impact more lives, and you want more people to watch and enjoy your content. However, it's a lot easier for your engagement rate to be much higher when you have a smaller audience, because you have less people to respond to. So therefore, you can respond to literally every single comment. You can like things. You can interact with your subscribers and audience base a lot more. Brands like that because they want your content to turn into sales. The reality is, the more engaged you are with your audience, the more they will trust you and your opinion, and the more likely they are to click those little links in your description box and purchase an item, thus making that company money and you reap the benefits. Whether you have a commission-based collaboration or a flat fee-based collaboration, collaborations are possible without 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to give you the 4 steps I used to land my first brand collaboration before I had 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for that, by the way. The first step you want to do is get noticed. Brands are not going to just see you in the sea of influencers. You want to engage with them, whether that means tagging them in some free content that you made, whether you did an Instagram story about a product that you liked and you tagged the brand in it, or you made dinner with food from Whole Foods and you tagged Whole Foods in the story. You want to kind of be on their radar. I'm not saying it's 100% guaranteed to put you on their radar, but it could. The right person could see it, and when you reach out to them, they'll say, hey, I remember that person using our product and they really like it. They want to work with people who genuinely like their products and services, because you're more believable when you pitch it to your audience. The next thing you want to do is find out who their media content person is. I find it's much easier to just DM the company directly, because pretty much every major company now has an Instagram of some sort. So I pretty much DM the company directly and say, hey, my name is Ashley from Richoux on Demand. I really love X, Y, and Z about your company, and I was wondering, who do I need to contact about potential collaboration opportunities? Thanks so much. Send the DM. You want to be very professional. You want to get straight to the point, because They may get hundreds or thousands of DMs a day, and you want your DM to come across really quick, concise, a very easy request that they can fulfill and move on to the next. Okay, now you have that contact information. You want to send a pitch email. You want to make sure the subject line catches their attention. So you want to do your YouTube channel, your Instagram handle, and that brand collab, that brand partnership. You want to do something like that just to go ahead and tell them, hey, this is what the email is about. Because like I said, the same thing with the DMs, they could get thousands of emails a day, and they really need to get through them in a timely manner. In this email, you want to be very specific on who you are, what you can offer them as a brand by partnering with you, and go ahead and throw in an idea. So if you're an Instagram influencer and you feel like you could partner with Dove, and you say, hey, my name is X, my Instagram is based around parenting and babies and whatever, whatever it is, say you have a parenting and lifestyle Instagram. My Instagram is based on parenting and baby tips, and I would love to partner with Dove for this product. I find it very easy to use on my son or daughter's sensitive skin, and I just really feel like my audience will identify with that. And you want to go ahead and give an idea. I would like to feature Dove's sensitive baby shampoo in an Instagram story or an Instagram reel. Those were just rolled out recently, and I want to upload 4 posts within the next 4 weeks featuring these products, and thank you very much, and send the email. Another thing you want to do is when you send this email, you want to hyperlink your YouTube channel. Every time you say YouTube channel, Instagram page, you want that to be a link, because they ain't got time to go search for your YouTube channel or your Instagram link. They don't have time, and that's a surefire way for them not to even look at your content and just move on. Go ahead, right click it, click add link, add hyperlink, and hyperlink your channel. There are many YouTube tutorials on how to do that. If you're unfamiliar, just make sure that you make that a hyperlink. So you've sent the pitch email explaining who you are, what you love about the brand, how you can help them, and sent a sample idea of what you can do for them. Now, best case scenario, you get a response and they're interested. A lot of times you'll get no response, or you'll get, we're not interested in partnering right now, or we would like to have someone with a certain amount of subscriber count. Don't get upset, be very gracious, thank them for their time, and they'll remember you later once you hit those metrics. Or ask them, please keep me in mind for further opportunities that may better suit my audience, or what have you. But if you do get a response and they are interested, make sure you follow my next tip, which is to make sure to find out exactly what they want and what they are interested in. Are they interested in one Instagram post? Are they interested in an ongoing relationship? Are they interested in one YouTube video? Are they interested in a affiliate program? Find out exactly what they're interested in. Also, somewhere in this email, you want to ask them, if they haven't already volunteered that information, what is your budget for a brand partnership? Because that's a non-pushy way of you letting them know that you intend to be compensated for your time and your content, and you find out if they're willing to pay you. Sometimes they may want to offer a product exchange, and if that's something you're okay with, then go ahead and accept the partnership. But if not, then graciously bow out, and you found out pretty early on that there's just no budget for them to pay you. But be patient, because you have no idea what goes on behind the scenes. A lot of times they have to go through lots of checks and balances to find out what's in the budget for advertising and influencer marketing, and those things are decided on a annual or a quarterly basis. So just because they don't get back to you immediately with a figure or with the response to that email, don't get discouraged or anything. Just wait it out. So next, after you've done all of that and everybody's in agreement on what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, how much you're getting compensated, make sure to deliver, and deliver on time. I personally believe that a lot of these brand executives speak to each other, and you don't want to get a bad rap as a small YouTuber that you're late or you're unprofessional or you're hard to work with. So definitely be open for edits and things like that, because there is a chance that once you submit your content, they may want you to edit it to include something or remove something. As long as you're okay with that, and as long as it's not altering your opinion and you've talked about that with them up front about you not altering your opinion, then everything should be good to go. Okay guys, and that's it. Those are my easy steps to get you noticed and get you making money with brand deals with less than 1,000 subscribers. It can be done. I have done it. We just hit 1,000 subscribers this week, and I landed this brand deal 2 or 3 weeks ago. So we weren't even at 1,000 subscribers. It's about being personable and uploading quality content and aligning yourself with that company's mission and their goals and values. So definitely make sure to get out there and put your content out there and be genuine, and don't sell yourself short. Get out there, get noticed, and land those brand deals. If you like content like this and you want me to keep creating content like this in the future, or make a playlist about YouTube tips and tricks for growing an organic audience and making money on YouTube while working full-time, because I am working full-time, leave a comment down below and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.